Namaste, Shri Matre Namaha. I'm Dr. Pallavi Kwatra, and I bring to you this educational series where we read books. And every Monday we do that, and we are going to be reading from my book on self care today. This is a long series where I will be undertaking many videos in continuation of the book reading from this book on self care. So, in the urban times, many of us are quite stressed with the different role plays that we have to undertake, and it's a hurried world in many ways. You have to offer, you have to be ready, you have to be always available to the responsibilities, the duties towards your life. But my reminder here is to tell you that you are precious. And if you fail to take care of yourself, if you fail to love and honor your choices, live out restful pauses and phases, then only you will not get a burnout and you will be able to easily navigate your way through your various role plays. So, self care is not a wastage of time, it is an investment that you put in because you love yourself. So, I'm going to share screen from my book and start reading from the place that I left last time. This is my book on self care, and we were reading about why is self care not selfish. So, self care is not selfish, it needs to be undertaken by each person. The idea that self care is not selfish is grounded in the understanding that taking care of oneself is a fundamental aspect of overall well being and is essential for maintaining a healthy and balanced life. Here are several reasons why self care is not selfish. It promotes resilience. Engaging in self care activities help individuals build resilience by providing them with the necessary tools to cope with stress and adversity. This in turn allows them to better support others and navigate life's challenges more effectively. Second reason is that self care preserves mental and emotional health. Prioritizing self care is an acknowledgement of the importance of mental and emotional well being. By taking time for self reflection, relaxation, and emotional expression, individuals can better manage stress, anxiety, and other mental health challenges. Third reason, self care enhances relationships. Individuals who practice self care are often better equipped to establish and maintain healthy relationships. They can set boundaries, communicate effectively, and engage in relationships from a place of emotional balance. Next reason, self care prevents burnout. Regular self care is a preventative measure against burnout. It helps individuals recharge and replenish their physical, mental, and emotional resources, reducing the risk of exhaustion and fatigue. Self-care is a sets up models of healthy behavior. By prioritizing self-care, individuals set an example for others, demonstrating the importance of taking care of oneself. This modeling can positively influence those around them, encouraging a culture of well being and mutual self respect. Self care increases productivity. Adequate self care is linked to increased productivity. When individuals are well rested, emotionally balanced, and focused, they can approach their tasks with greater efficiency and effectiveness. Self care fosters a positive self image. Recognizing and meeting one's own needs contributes to a positive self image. It reflects a healthy sense of self worth and self respect, which are essential for building confidence and resilience. Self care aligns with personal values. Self care often involves activities that align with an individual's values and priorities. Taking the time to engage in activities that bring joy, fulfillment, and satisfaction support a sense of purpose and meaning in life. Self-care sustains long-term well-being. Prioritizing self-care is a sustainable approach to well-being. It recognizes that maintaining one's health and happiness is an ongoing process and requires regular attention and investment. Self care balances responsibilities. Self care is not about neglecting responsibilities or obligations. Instead, it's about finding a balance between meeting personal needs and fulfilling external commitments. This balance is crucial for sustained well being. So I'll finish the reading here. And in the next videos, we will be undertaking and reading about the various segments of self care, like physical, emotional, mental. So we will learn how to address these important aspects of self care. So thank you very much for being with me and enjoying this reading on the book. Thank you.